Hi everybody, this is Noman from Reddington Gulf. Actually, those who don't know Reddington, we are the value-added distributors for Aruba. Aruba Networks have started their operation in back in 2002, and from that, within 3 years, we became leaders in the Gartner's quadrant for the Wi-Fi and wired connectivity and wired network. So that here we have used our extensive research, our extensive experiences, apart from the solution is concerned. So we have brought to you some of the SMB solution that are specifically designed for the purpose of a small and medium organization. So what we actually we know what we have designed, and we would be trying our level best to give you the complete solution specifically for the SMB. So what research we have done, we would be discussing on different focus areas on today's presentation. We would be starting from the business, small and medium business organizations trends and their challenges and their objectives, what research we have done, and what solution we need to offer, and what value addition the Aruba instant on solution is bringing into the table. What are the key competition, what competition is offering, and what instant on has to offer, how we are differentiating from each other, what are the key mesh technologies that are the value drivers from the as far as the SMB is concerned. So starting from the first point, actually, we started from the small and medium business trends. That is the buying behavior of an SMB customer. That has been presented as a part of a research done from the state of IT report in 2019. It says that 60%, 68% of the small and medium businesses focusing on the investment because they want to replacing the outdated infrastructure, because they want to have a tech refresh in their organizations. They want to have the latest technology coming up. They want to keep up with the competition. They want to keep up with the IT challenges. They want to resolve the IT challenges. So that's why they 68% of the SMBs are investing in these sort of technologies on especially on the Wi-Fi part, to be into the picture, to have those competitive advantages. 42% of the small and medium business organizations think that they are increasing their IT budget because of the increased security concerns. So they have approved their budget because they are more concerned about the security. So that to bring down the security threat, they are investing in the IT infrastructure to fight with the security issues, challenges, and to have that particular network which is free of ransomware, malware, or other attacks. 14% of the SMB consider that the Wi-Fi networking is the top IT spending priority for the next 12 months. They believe that the spending in the Wi-Fi technology, the wireless technology, is the proper spending which has to be done, and they have to invest in the SMB. And specifically, this point, everybody should agree that 95% of the restaurants agrees that the restaurant technology improves their business efficiency, which includes upgrading their POS machines and guest Wi-Fi. This actually we all agree that we have seen whenever we go to any of the restaurants like Starbucks or Costas, and everybody can obviously see that how the Wi-Fi is very much important. How what is the importance of a guest Wi-Fi? That they want to have a personalized web page first of all, which is known as the captive portal for specifically for the guest Wi-Fi, where you enter your user ID and password, and you can enjoy free Wi-Fi, and also if they want to offer you some value added services like some sort of discounts on, if you can fill up the form like McDonald's does that. They give you some sort of extra cookies or some sort of extra discounts whenever you fill the feedback form. So all this is done by the Wi-Fi. So the guest Wi-Fi is very much important from them, and this 95% of the SMB restaurateurs agree with that. So what are the challenges? The key challenges are that they are using some outdated equipment, so they have to go with a tech refresh. So tech refresh is very much important because they want to be into the picture, and they want to keep their infrastructure very much refreshed and latest with the new technology. Because you know that in Wi-Fi world there are like a lot of standards coming up, and there are a lot of extensive research going on how to improve the connectivity, how to communicate in more aggressive manner, and how to improve the throughput, because the applications here and there are increasing. The IoT data is here and there increasing. So for that also, the second challenge comes in, is that there's that fluid budget constraints. So they have some of the challenges in when it comes to a budget. So they feel challenged when they have to apply for a budget specifically for the IT purposes. So they have to bring up with the proper business case, that what actually value and what is the ROI, what is the TCO for the IT. So this is one of the challenges coming up, saying that the budget constraint is one of the key challenges for the SMB customers. Last but not the least, also the security is a concern. That security is they has to be they has to be protected from the malware attacks, from the ransomware attacks, or some other DDoS attacks. That they has to be some mechanism that is protecting themselves from those networking challenges, from those threats of security. So apart from the trends and challenges, what actually objectives of the SMB customers are? They want to increase their business, because SMBs are always a growing proposition. So they want to hunt for business. They want to meet new business opportunities. They want to meet new customers. So this is one of the objective of an SMB customer, that they want to attract new customers. And they also wants to improve their efficiency, how they want to cut the cost, where they can be more efficient in terms of operations, what they are doing right now, how they can improve, how they can reduce the some of the operational expenditures, and can be more efficient. So this is one of the objective of an SMB customer. Then how they can have a competitive advantage in order to win the business from their competition. What competitive advantage they have to offer? For example, like in restaurant, guest Wi-Fi might be a competitive advantage. Some of the promotion might be a competitive advantage. For example, in retail, some push messages from over the Wi-Fi might be a competitive advantage for them. So it's very important to know what is your competitive advantage, and how the Wi-Fi can help in getting your competitive advantage to your customers. What solution which we need to offer over here? We have the different building blocks of a solution, in which we can offer the specific industry standard IEEE 802.11 wave 2 access point, that is known as Aruba instant on access point. We have different sort of categories of access points, starting with AP11, AP12, and then AP15, AP17, and also the hospitality access point, which is AP11D, for specific purposes and for specific use cases. Then to complement that, we have also the Aruba switches, which is like Aruba 1930 switches, available in different flavors, of starting from the 8 ports and 24 ports and 48 ports, PoE plus and non-PoE plus, giving you the 10 gig connectivity uplink, and giving you a very good security features for SMBs concerned. And to meet the dots, we have a complete management solution, that is like a cloud-based web GUI, that would give you all sort of features to manage on a single pane of glass, your Wi-Fi, and your network switches as well, on a single platform, that you can use either on web GUI or also a mobile application. So it would give you a proper view, and also and a leverage to manage your network remotely, from your mobile application or from your web GUI. So we have seen the complete building blocks of a solution which we need to offer. And but why instant on only? At the beginning of presentation, I told you that Aruba started their operations in back into 2002, and we have been a trusted advisor of more than like 2 decades of experience. We have used our extensive research. We have used our experiences to develop a solution for you that would be like most suitable for the SMB customers. We know that how to lower the TCO. We know that we have to provide you the industry leading hardware that is like proven in last 2 decades for the Aruba networks. And on top of that, we also offer you some peace of mind support services, that is in everything is included into the cost, so that there is extraordinary performance without any hidden charges, without any licensing fees, without any features fees. Everything is included just in the box. So the trusted vendor of the trusted brand of Aruba, without any hidden charges, with extraordinary performance, with built-in security, and last but not the least, the simplicity of the management of web GUI or the mobile application. The convenience is on your hand. That's why you have to prefer the Aruba Instant On. Just drilling into the web GUI part. Actually, we as I told you that we not only offering the single pane of glass, but also the web GUI would give you the managed firmware updates as well, and some common workflows like automatic VLAN creation, IP addressing assignments, and site inventory. If you are running some multiple sites, and each and every site having a different set of access points and different set of switches, so you have site inventory. And you already know that we have the remote management means that the IT administrator can sit anywhere and have a convenience to manage the network from anywhere, while sitting at home. As nowadays there's a post COVID situation, most of the people are working from home, so it gives you a convenience of remote management. Very much important. Purpose-built Wi-Fi wired solution, specifically when we talk about the switches as well. So we have switches that is like simple to manage, very reliable by giving them 10 gig connectivity, very much secure, as the primary concern was the security. So we have developed a very much secure switches that would give you ACL. Also, 802.1x authentication is also supported, and external security of threats and malware can be easily tolerated by ACL rules. But last but not the least, we also have some peace of mind by giving you superior post-sales support that is included free of cost. That is included within the box with 24 by 7 90 days telephonic support and chat support that is valid for entire period of your warranty. Also, we have something called Instant On Community, where you can go and you can register and you can raise a support case. So there are engineers, there are experts who can assist you in terms of any sort of issue, that can also assist you that if they have a similar issue in the past. So we say that we have a purpose-built solution means that we have specifically designed solution for SMB, because we know that the SMB needs simplicity. So we have developed the application-based management. They need a business growth, so we have given them scalability. Our clusters are supported with 25 access points. Then we have something called smart mesh, and we also have a peace of mind by giving them some superior post sale support, that is like a 90 days telephonic support and chat support and 1 year warranty, and instant on community is available. So if we talk about the cloud-based the web portal, it gives you the leverage of configuring smart mesh. It also gives you a future-proof secure network, a very great personalized view, and it's able to manage the multiple networks. If you are managing multiple sites, you have one single pane of glass that can manage your complete network, or different sets of networks or different sites. You can also customize your guest portal, just setting into that's for guest portal for every site, for every guest network you have, in just sitting on one single pane of glass. What competition has to offer? Ubiquity is offering the similar in the similar segment, but Ubiquity has something. If we talk about the some guest services which we talked about in the previous slide, and the DSCP and the NAT and your quality of services, they have to go with the gateway that is costing something additional. So we don't need any sort of gateways. Everything is inbuilt within the access point. That's why we say that we have inbuilt security features within the access points available. We also have the auto RF optimization, and that is like your channels, your Wi-Fi connectivity has been already been optimized as per the client, as per the channel availability, and in Ubiquity you have to configure it manually. And when we talk about Meraki, we have the cloud portal, but they only have the mobile application. But we also have the cloud portal. There is no subscription fee in case of Instant On. And while as Meraki is charging you some sort of subscriptions, that is the recurring cost every year or every 3 year or every 5 years. We say that you purchase the equipment once and you are good to go. There is no subscription fees. And if we go for deep packet inspection, so deep packet inspection is not supported in terms of Meraki. We and also there is no multi-site support which we have in Centon. So this is why there are like a lot of other features which we actually uh, win the competition when we compare to to other competitors that are competing from ourselves from the SMB point of view. Lastly, we would be discussing on the smart mesh. Smart mesh is basically a technology that would allow the neighboring access point to use to work as to work as an uplink for the mesh point. If you see into the picture over here, we have one access point connecting to the switch, another access point uh, is connecting to the neighboring access point on the mesh link, and the client devices would not feel any difference in communicating to the network, and so and they would feel that they are the part of a same network. Okay, but the switches, there is only one cable going on to the access point, and that access point is transferring the uplink on wirelessly onto the other net onto the other access point. What are the use cases? We can use the same for the main building and the outdoor space. For example, in the outdoor space, you don't have the possibility to run a cable from the outdoor access point to the IDF. So you can use that mesh link from the nearest neighboring access point connecting to the switch. Similarly, if we take an example of this first floor and second floor, so we have if the IDF is present only on the first floor, so we can just use the mesh link going towards the second floor, and the second floor AP and the first floor AP has been connected on the same network, and on the on and the clients would not feel any difference in communicating between these two access points. So, and this is the summary slide. What we have learned up till now, we have seen that Aruba has an extensive amount of experience and research work, and they have used their extensive amount of research in developing a solution that is simple to set up, that is flexible in management options, either mobile application or either web GUI, and so that you can manage your network from anywhere. And last but not the least, we are offering all these things along with the warranty. We are also offering you some unmet support experiences that is like available for you for 90 days for 24 by 7 support. Like you can call the Aruba representative at the late night on the holidays. They are there to assist you. Everything is inbuilt. Everything is there. Without any licensing, without any subscription cost, without any feature cost, everything is there into the box on the same access point price. So that's it. That's it from my side. If you have any questions, so just let me know.